people want to know how I keep my cars so fresh for the car shows, this is it. This is the secret. 2 minutes in, holiday, can't beat it, man. This is the best, touchless, oh yeah. It is a very hot day. We are 100 degrees outside. IET is 134. Ooh, it is hot, you guys. Damn. Alrighty, you guys, we are rolling into the parking spot. We are at the St. Paul Brewery. This is the best part right here. Trying to find parking and organizing your team into parking spots. Oh, so tight. There's a lot of us. Okay, all day. We got something straight out from Need for Speed right here. Bro, I thought I saw Subi Soda rolling in. Wasn't pretty dope. That's team. Oh yeah, we like that. Oh snap, who's this? Team E. It's Team E. Hello. Stage 2 special. I like it. Boom. We got S2 slow. Nice. Integra. Oh, that's nice. All right. We got it. What is this? I don't know what this is. I don't know, but I like it. This is S13. Right? Something like that. And then we got Evo Master. The no AC life. Race car life. This Evo absolutely gets down, you guys, but he's struggling today. Alright, 1, 2, 3! That's about 102 degrees.
Someone get this man a fan.
That's a fast Evo. About 600. No! Go down. We gotta go down a little bit, yeah. Alright. Ooh. We got the LS swapped. Lady driven. That's so dope. I love that car. I really want one LS swapped and everything. Oh. We got a trader over there. We took off the shirt. Alright, we got another stage 2 Subi rolling up in here. Let's go. I think it's pretty sweet though. I like it. Clean, wide body, not bad. Well, it is so empty. I am very surprised. Normally that whole side is all filled up. We got Midwest monsters out here. But yeah, it's pretty empty for the brewery today. Maybe it's just so hot, but let's just start up the lineup here. We got Team Row rolling in deep. I love how sick those banners look for show. Big turbo. Oh, yeah. I love how the banners turned out on these guys. Pretty sick. He's working our way down the line. Oh, I love this MR2. We gotta see more of this. Let's just check out the back here. You've seen this MR2 many times on the channel, but it's just a wonderful, beautiful piece. Alright. I'm surprised Subi Soda is not here. But let's keep working our way down the line here. Trucks, we got the Subaru. I love this thing. Love how that looks. Bro. Trucks. What's this? Credit card only? What's over here? Interesting line. Got a big truck. Let's go walk back up this line. Bagged IS something. 250, 350, big turbo Civic. Yeah. Nothing really to it. I'm gonna say Evo like always. Mexico special guy. Yeah. LS swapped FRS. 86, I mean. Love this. This is so clean. Oh yeah. Got to put an LSA blower on this thing. It's gonna scream. Oof, I love it.
Oh yeah, one more reminder.
Models over here. Alright. We got the Subaru. We got the Kia. I love that thing. So what else is over here? That's Steven, the Subaru. Some of these guys we've seen all the time. We always seen these guys. We always see these guys. So what's up? We always see these cars out here. It's the same cars. We got another Mustang. We got a turbo Prelude. That's pretty sweet. All right. We like that. All right. Walk down the line. What else here? What else? Another Civic. Another. Oh, it's a J swap. We got the V6 in here. Yo, finally someone that knows how to cut a hood. I swear. Yeah. All right, we got a 300ZX. We got some stuff done to it, I guess. Yeah. What else is here? Look at that. A Subaru. Wow. That's too slow. Right, let's go. Whoa. Oh, he's got a girl in his car.
For right now,
Got a girl in his car.
a few different more spots. I will let you know.
Oh, she's clearing house. Clearing. Gotta clear them all out. What's that noise? That's a Subaru. What?
Who's making all that noise? Who that?
Ah, what's that? We got Kevin. We got Kevin. We're at the grid light. Alright, people have finally started showing up here. It's getting packed. Oh, stop. She's back. Let's see, done. This thing's absolutely crazy. Oh yeah, we like it. Ah, we got stage 2 over here. Yeah. Wow, NF Streets, huh? You notice how there's no JM cars here?
Jesus Christ.
Alright. We got R8 just parked in the middle. Alright. It's kind of a interesting location nonetheless. I mean, it's literally right in the middle of the route. Well, let's go check out this beastly truck here. Another lady built, driven hot rod Anna. That's pretty sweet. I think we've seen this Mazda one too many times. It's pretty sweet though, you know, a small turbo. Alright, we gotta take another closer look at this car. Straight out from Need for Speed Underground. I mean, look at this, custom work. Wow, it's all airbrushed. Molded, body kit. Those wheels. That is just absolutely crazy. Just crazy. Check this out. Next to the Mustang, we got another Mustang. It's a 15, 17 obviously, but look at the GT 500 front end. I absolutely love it. We need this front end. Love it. This looks so good. I mean, look at this Subaru though. We got Drive Cartel on the back. He's booning. We got Jose behind the scenes. Shortest, the tallest. I like it. All right. Look at their faces. They all work. What's up, Kenny? Another day. The Mustang right there. The Mustang. I do their reactions like.
Turbo here? Down. Just hit.
Whoa. Oh, the Mustang's getting some love today.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
All the photographers up in here. Yeah. Whoa, the TSX getting some love. Oh, we are at the the St. Paul Brewery. All the models are getting their photos on. Anyways, if you guys can hear the air, we are blowing straight AC up in here. Oh, it feels so freaking good. It's about 100 degrees, you guys, and we're sitting in AC. What a luxury to have. Yep. Telling you guys, the AC is just too good.
Hell yeah.
Oh, we got another R8 that showed up. V10, that's pretty dope. That's sick. Let's see what's down here. Let's see what's down here. We got black Evo. Alright. What's over here? It's a big lifted truck. Whoa. Subaru. Got another Subaru. It's pretty dope. That's a big truck. That thing's huge. What's up? That thing's huge. Oh my gosh. Damn. Oh, I gotta tilt the camera. That thing's so big. Show me how to work that thing. Oh yeah. Yeah, you look real good at that. Oh. Give it to me. Oh yeah. Damn, a full session of modeling. Look at all those fingerprints and butt prints. Woo. Oh yeah. It's alright. Alright, we're about to go check out the reject lot over here. Let's see what's good. There's a lot of nice things out here actually. Oh my goodness. Yo, whose Supra is that? This thing's dope. Is there a Viper out here? Let's walk down the side. Oh my goodness. This is way cooler out here. What the hell? Woo. Hey, young boy. Look at these cars. Whoa. Damn, we got the Supra out here. Whoa, this thing should be in the show. That thing is sweet. Wow. Yo, this thing's big.
This has money. Rich.
Dang. What's an RX-7? Oh, won't stop.
I like this one.
Oh, wow, this my my man custom paint job. Oh my goodness. All right, we got the RX-7. We've seen this in my Cars and Coffee today. All right, pretty dope. Dang, clean culture. Man, that thing's sweet. Oh. Now watch that parallel parking skills though. That's pretty sick. All right. What's hidden in this lot? We got Waz and Cord over there. Yeah, static. It is pretty badass for static. I know. Over here we got Subi Soda. They didn't make the cut this time around. Yeah, they just didn't want to stay till 10. Subi Soda. Not bad. It's alright. We got a Forester over here. It's pretty cool. We got a, what's that, B5? Oh, some Subarus. We got another interesting Subaru over here. We got the... Oh, look at that though. It's interesting. We got a wagon, B5 wagon, right? Is that what they call them? I don't know what these things are called. What else out here? We got an RS. Stage 2, alright. Subaru hiding over there, wait. Whoa, we got an Accord wagon. Look at that thing. What the turbo? This is, oh my gosh. This turbo is bigger than any Subaru I've seen ever on an Accord. Wow. Look at this. This thing needs to be in the car show, you guys. Hook this brother up next time. Damn! Out there too. It's pretty dope. Oh, we got wide body V6 over here. Oh. What is this? Wide body V6. Let's go. All right. Check him out. We got the police just chilling. He's waiting for them to do a poll. Come on. Who wants to do a poll? We ordered Little Caesars because oh yeah. We weren't paying $9 for a brat, you know, so we got some pizza. At $12, it's a whole pizza.
Live it lavish and,
Let's go.
a
Burnout. The police. Police. Let it rip. Whoa. Goddamn Subaru. Oh, it's the V5. Master. Burn out. She probably will. Boo. Boo. He's gonna do a fat burn. What is that?
Turtle.
Doo-doo. These guys in a full send mode. I hope so. Couldn't find the gears. Oh, shit. That's a Camry, bro. Oh my god, dude. Stupid as hell. Good. Oh my god. Yeah, this guy did the burnout. Do it again! I'm just kidding. I think you better just go.